Hi, it's Glenda, and I wanted to show you how I made the marshmallow for the bonfire or s'mores soap. It's quite simple. You do need moldable soap or soap dough in white and brown. I have here also some water, a brush, and some black oxide and some copper mica or brown mica. And for texture, I will be using some aluminum foil. So the first thing is just to make the marshmallow, which is quite simple. I just roll a ball and then I roll it back and forth until I have something like this. Next, I squeeze it until I have a marshmallow shape. Going to roll it a little bit more to give it more of a cylindrical shape, and I squeeze some more. There we go. Now for the wooden stick, I'm just going to roll the brown soap dough into a thin snake. And I'm cutting off a piece off. I only need a small piece. Alright, so to attach it, and I think I'm gonna attach it at the end so that I don't mess it up. I'm gonna grab the foil and I'm gonna crumple it. Okay, so now that I have it crumpled, and there is a bunch of different surfaces in there, I'm going to roll my marshmallow on top of it, and this is just to give it that texture that the marshmallow gets when you put it in the fire and it begins to toast and a little bit of burn starts or caramelization starts happening. So now I can add some of that like charbroil effect on it. I'm just grabbing a little bit of the pigment powder. I don't want it to be too strong on my finger, and I'm just going to gently put it on it, and it's going to go just on the raised surface created by the foil. Now if you want it, you could add some copper like I did on this one, because sometimes it does get that color first it starts getting brown, then when you've gone too far is when you start seeing the black actually. But that's for this one. I'm just gonna do the black. Now to add the stick, I'm going to use a bamboo skewer and just perforate, make a perforation there, hopefully big enough for this. I think it needs to be slightly bigger. And before adding it, I'm going to add a little bit of water with a brush. I'm going to taper the end of the stick and then just insert it in. And there you have it. Your own marshmallow ready to become a s'more. I hope you like this. If you have any questions, let me know below. And if you want to let me know what your favorite chocolate is when you're making s'mores, I'll be happy to know. Bye.